Hi travellers, I'm Ian's daughter Laliko. In this video I'm showing you our road trip that we took from Nantong to Suzhou, and we used Didi for this. So we just used the Didi app. It's fantastic now that it comes in English, but yes, you can use it to travel from city to city. Approximately 300 RMB for the trip, and it went really well. So I shared the cost with some friends, and you could do the same. It's great because it goes from your doorstep to the doorstep at the other end without the need for transferring, and for what is fairly inexpensive. We found that this worked out really nicely, and perhaps you might find the same too. In the next video, I'll show what we did once we arrived, our accommodation, and some of the things that we got up to. So consider subscribing, as I post new videos every week giving tips and strategies that may help enhance your travel experiences.